Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of how to speak Bosnian. Today we'll be learning about personal pronouns in all cases in Bosnian. Today we'll be learning the personal pronouns in nominative, genitive, accusative, dative, locative, instrumental, and vocative cases. Nominative case is responding to questions of who or what, who is doing the action. Ja, I, ti, you, on, ona, ono, he, she, it, me, we, you, formal or plural, and oni, they. Oni su uvijek zajedno. They are always together. Is answering the question of whom or what. Mene, me, tebe ili te, you, nju ili you, her, njega, ga, him, nas, us, vas, you, plural or formal, and njih, ih, them. Keep in mind that you cannot start a sentence with a short form like me, te, you, ga, but you have to use the long version like mene, tebe, nju, njega, nas, vas, and so on. Example. On živi ne tako daleko od mene. Again, on živi ne tako daleko od mene. He lives not so far from me. Accusative. Accusative answers the question whom or what. In a sense, I saw someone. Who did I see? I saw the man. Mene, the same as genitive. Mene, me. Tebe, te. Nju, you. Njega, ga. Nas, us. Vas, and njih ili ih. Vidjela sam vas u restoranu. Again, vidjela sam vas u restoranu. I saw you at the restaurant. So this is the reason we're using vas is because it's you, first of all, and second of all, we're using accusative case because we're answering the question, who did you see? Like we saw someone, and that someone is vas, or you guys, so we're using accusative. Dative case. Dative case answers the question to whom. Example, if you're giving something to someone, who did you give it to? You give it to me, for example. So dao je meni ili mi, okay? So meni, me, to me. Tebi, ti, to you. Njemu, mu, njoj, joj, njemu, mu. To him, to her, to it. Nama, to us. Vama, to you. And njima, or short version im, to them. Example. Dao mi je čašu vode. Again, dao mi je čašu vode. He gave me a glass of water. And that he gave me is answering the question to whom, and that's why we're using the dative case. Locative case is always answering a question about whom or about what. O meni, o meni, o tebi, o tebi, o njemu, o njoj, about him, about her, o nama, about us, o vama, about you, it's plural or formal, I o njima, about them. Često čujem neke pozitivne priče o njima. Again, često čujem neke pozitivne priče o njima. I often hear some positive stories about them. About who? About them. And that's why we're using our locative case. Instrumental case is answering the question with whom. With whom? Instrumental is always sa. We have sa mnom, with me, sa tobom, with you, sa njom, sa njim, with her or with him, Sa nama, with us, sa vama, with you, and sa njima, with them. Oni uvijek putuju u Bosnu sa nama. Again, oni uvijek putuju u Bosnu sa nama. They are always traveling to Bosnia with us. So the reason we're using instrumental case is because we are answering the question with whom. And the answer, because it's with us, we're using sa nama. Is a vocative case. It's basically when we're calling someone. So example I have here is, hey T, hey V. You're like screaming, like not screaming, but rather loudly inviting someone to, for example here, to invite to come over. Hey T, dođi ovamo. Hey you, come over here. That's your vocative case. Today we learned personal pronouns in all cases in Bosnian language. Just to remind ourselves, nominative case answers the question to who is doing the action or what. Genitive is answering the question whom or what. Accusative is answering to who, to what. Dative, again, to whom and to what. Locative is answering the question about whom or about what. Instrumental is answering the question with whom. And the last one, vocative, is the easiest one, is the one when you're just inviting someone. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us today. For more awesome videos, please don't forget to like us, to comment, and subscribe so you can be notified when new videos come out. And until next time, ciao!